Welcome to our YouTube channel. We're the proud owners of Mintwave radio station and the Raising Vibrations podcast network on Podbean. Here you'll find exciting content from our show, A Coffee with Karen, a cup of positivity with just a sprinkling of woo-woo. Join us 3 times a week as we bring you inspiring conversations with coaches, consultants, therapists, and healers who are dedicated to making a difference in their communities from a mental, physical, spiritual perspective, or all three. Mintwave radio station serves as a platform for other coaches to share their message to the people who need to hear it. We believe in amplifying voices and providing a platform for growth and connection. Additionally, we curate a fantastic selection of soul, jazz funk, disco, and house music to enhance your listening experience. But that's not all we offer. We also provide comprehensive podcast production services for our clients. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your podcast to the next level, our services include podcast design, branding, website creation, fully edited shows with removal of filler words and background noise, complete transcripts and show notes, engaging snippets for social media promotion, a robust social media strategy, intro and outro creation, podcast ad creation, and a guarantee of your first 50,000 downloads. We even have a fully automated sales and marketing system that can save you time and money by creating educational lead magnet funnels, appointment funnels, podcast guest funnels, sales pages, and membership areas so that you can sell your online courses. Our CRM powered by AI helps you build a list and sell your online courses fast. This is a done for you, done with you 12-week program that allows our software to handle the heavy lifting, giving you the freedom to live life on your terms and transform your podcast into a sales machine. To stay connected with us, be sure to subscribe to our weekly newsletter and visit our website, mintwave-radio.com, for the schedule of upcoming shows from all our hosts. Join our vibrant community, our movement, and let's create positive vibrations together. Subscribe now, hit the notification bell, and embark on an empowering journey with us. Welcome to our YouTube channel where inspiration meets transformation.